Hello there, Coach Zaira here, and I am up for another English lessons. Today we will talk about nouns that are always plural in form. These nouns don't have singular forms. What are these? Well, keep watching to find out. First, let's define noun. As we know, noun is a name of a person, place, and thing. Noun can be singular or plural. Basically, to make singular nouns plural, we add s or es to the word. For example, restaurant. Add s to it and it'll become restaurants, which is plural. Well, there are different exceptions to make a singular noun plural, but I will not discuss that yet today. I want to focus on the plural-only nouns. These are nouns that can't be singular in form. They are always plural and require plural verbs and plural forms of pronouns too. Let's start with pajamas. My pajamas are new. I love them. As you see here, we use the be verb are, which is plural, and we also use them as a plural pronoun. Next is jeans. These jeans are too old. I won't use them. So it's the same. We use the be verb are and then them, okay, as the plural pronoun. The same rule applies with leggings, trousers, pants, and shorts. Next is scissors. These scissors are sharp. Be careful with these. Next one is sunglasses. For example, his sunglasses are cool. Where did he buy them? The same rule applies with glasses, like the reading glasses, like this one here, the reading glasses, okay? Don't confuse yourself with the glass, okay, of the window or the glass that we use for drinking, because I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about this, all right? It's also the same with binoculars and goggles. We also have to use them always in plural. Next is belongings. Okay, where are your belongings? Look for them. Next one, we have headphones. For example, I like these headphones. They are comfortable. So we don't just say headphone, but headphones. Next one is tongs. For example, I need the tongs right now. Where are they? Okay, next one is tweezers. For example, I need to buy tweezers. Now, if you want to specify the number of these nouns, you can use the phrase a pair of. For example, a pair of jeans, 2 pairs of tongs, or a few pairs of shorts. There you have it. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Remember to use the plural-only nouns in your sentences correctly. If you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated of the new videos I upload. Have a great day. Thank you.